This is by far the most egregious example of over-engineering that I have found so far on my Ampex MM-1000. This is the motion sensor. Okay, this thing bolts to the bottom of the supply motor, and these little nylon fingers here, they nest up into the brake drum so that when the real motor spins, this spins whatever direction that's going. And what that does, I don't know if you can see there, but as it changes direction, this paddle down here hits a micro switch. As it goes the other way, it goes down and hits micro switch on the other side. That's all it does. But this is all precision machined aluminum. It's a extremely precise housing, and there's just a certain amount of friction load so that as this turns, it actuates the paddle. And it's all mounted in a nice heavy gauge zinc plated steel bracket. Huh.